welcome back to Vlogmas day 17. We just left church this morning. Today was like a special day at my family's church, so we went there. And now Andrew and I are just heading to Starbucks to get some egg bites and some coffee, and then Amy Lee is coming over and we are gonna spend the afternoon baking, and then we're gonna go hang out with some friends. It's a nice Sunday except for the rain. I just need snow. I just want a little bit of snow before Christmas. I don't think that's gonna happen, but I just really want it. So anyways, but maybe I think baking the cookies will get us in a good like Christmassy vibe. Maybe I should go get, do you think I should, do we have any cookie tins? Anyways, okay. I'm gonna go home, change my clothes, eat some food, and start to bake. Okay, I'm going to make ginger molasses cookies, which I think I've made on camera before, but they're my family's favorite. They are so delicious. It's gonna be so hard for me not to eat any, but Andrew just gave me a Christmas gift early and he got me these cookie scoops. I'm so excited. It's gonna make my job so much easier. I'm gonna start the batter now because it actually has to go into the refrigerator for an hour. And then that way when my sister's here, maybe I can just like bake them and get ahead. The only thing is we have no eggs. So we Instacarted some eggs and more butter. So hopefully I can like start the batter, and by the time the eggs get here, it'll be time to add them. But I'll give you the ingredients. It's very simple. It's 1.5 cups of unsalted butter at room temp. Mine's not at room temp, so I gotta figure that out. It says not melted. So 1 cup of granulated white sugar, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 1/2 cup of molasses, 2 eggs, 4.5 cups of flour, baking soda, 4 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground cloves, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And then essentially that kind of makes the dough. And some of that actually, then you take a plate and you just add sugar on the bottom of it. You roll your dough and then you roll your cookie dough balls in the sugar, and then you bake them, and then they get that crispy, crunchity outside. It is delicious. So actually I need to get all the stuff out anyways. I'm baking in my PJs. I'm gonna bring everything out for my sister and I, so that way it's easier. Well, I don't even have enough butter, so I guess we're just gonna do the dry ingredients first. Flour. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 teaspoons of baking soda. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ginger, cinnamon, and clove, and salt. 1 tablespoon of ginger. Wow, this is almost gone. 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Oh shoot, 1, 2. And 1 teaspoon of ground cloves. And then a teaspoon of salt. Okay. Looks like this. Kind of looks like chili. Then we gotta whisk it together. Grab a whisk. And then we're just gonna whisk this all together to combine, and that is our dry mixture. When all of my stuff arrives, I'll make the wet and we'll combine. It's a very easy recipe. Our order has arrived. We have 2 things of butter, and Andrew got us a big thing of eggs, so we need to take 2 of these. Hopefully they're not broken. I did not know No Frills had a 30 count of eggs, but that is nice. Ooh, perfect. I'll take 2 of you. I'm gonna bring this in the kitchen because I'm gonna need to mix. So you need 1 cup of brown sugar and 1 cup of white sugar. I have my somewhat, oh yeah, this is room temp, I would say. Room temperature butter, 1.5 cups, and 2 eggs. I think that's it. Okay. And we're going to mix this all together, and then we need to get it in the refrigerator so that we can bake it. I forgot the molasses. The key ingredient. Oh my goodness, where's my head? Okay. Okay, in goes the molasses. Now we gotta mix that together. Okay, now that this is pretty much all mixed together, we're gonna start to add the dry ingredients, incorporate that all together, and then put this in the fridge.
Hello.
Come in.
Happy baking.
Happy baking.
Cheers, Chris.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready?
Okay, the kitchen sink cookies this time, much better. I think I'm just gonna like do 1 minute less, but they're looking good. And then we have the ginger molasses. And then Amy Lee, what are you working on? Oh, well, you're cleaning. Dishes. Well, she's making a dough. Crust. It smells so good. You want one with a chip right on top?
Yes.
Okay, it's probably still warm. It's a little overdone, but
Perfect.
okay.
Okay. Yum.
It's a little crunchy.
Mmm.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you taste the pretzel? Or what do you taste in there? Smartie, chocolate,
The chip.
Okay.
The chocolate. And the Smartie.
Oh, good. Okay. Walter.
So good. Mmm.
Okay.
These are delicious.
I'm glad. Here's an update. These look amazing. These butter tarts made from scratch. And then we have the ginger molasses cookies that are going. And then here's all my kitchen sink cookies. Amy Lee just left. She made these amazing butter tarts. We gotta let them cool still. I'm gonna tackle the mess later when I get home, but we are just getting ready to go. Can you put Wally away? We're just getting ready to go. Yeah, I fed him. And hang out with some friends. Super cash. I'm just wearing these aloe leggings and a sweatshirt. Gotta find some socks. Anyways, it was such a nice, relaxing, Christmassy afternoon. Wow, this lighting. Okay, I gotta go.
Okay, tell me when to knock on the door.
Okay, you can come in. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Wow! What a... Wow! Yeah!
You fell.
What a perfect group of friends.
So fun. Like so you can get 40? Yeah.
Go.
What is that, 5 pounds?
No, it's like
8 pounds.
8 pounds
If
of
I
wings.
eat a pound of wings, will I gain it? Yeah.
a lot of
Anything you're saying.
today.
You can turn around. Sorry?
Let's just talk to him. Let me know how much you No.
Yeah, tell us.
Oh my God.
Someone
How I
crying.
feel about Anna.
Greater love is no one like this. They should lay down their life. Can I get the word shoot?
I'm home now. Put my pajamas on. I shouldn't be drinking this, but I'm going to. And I'm gonna watch Sister Wives. And then, thank you, Walter. I'm gonna get ready for bed. Well, I'm already ready. I mean, like, wash my face. Ow! What is he doing? And, oh my gosh, Andrew, he was like putting his head on the top of my head. Anyways, okay. I'm gonna get ready for, I've said that. I'm going to, sorry, so distracted. Watch Sister Wives, and then I'm gonna go to bed. So, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again tomorrow for another one. Good night.